Transferring crypto to a cold wallet is a crucial step in securing your digital assets. A cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, is a physical device that stores your private keys offline, protecting them from hackers and other online threats. To transfer crypto to a cold wallet, follow these steps. First, make sure you have a cold wallet and that it is set up and configured. Popular cold wallet options include Ledger and Trezor. If you are new to cold wallets, start by reading the user manual and setting up your device. Next, access your exchange or hot wallet account where your crypto is currently stored. This could be a desktop or mobile wallet, or a cryptocurrency exchange. Look for the send or withdraw option and select the type of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Before initiating the transfer, ensure you have the correct receiving address for your cold wallet. This address can usually be found in the cold wallet's software or on the device itself. Make sure to copy the address exactly, as any mistakes could result in lost funds. Now, enter the receiving address and the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Double-check the address and amount to ensure everything is correct. It is also important to consider the transaction fees associated with the transfer, as these can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once you have confirmed the details, initiate the transfer. Depending on the cryptocurrency and network, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes or even hours. You can track the status of your transaction using a blockchain explorer. After the transaction has been confirmed, your crypto will be stored on your cold wallet. It is essential to keep your cold wallet and its recovery seed in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. In conclusion, transferring crypto to a cold wallet is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of cryptocurrency transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely store your digital assets and protect them from online threats. Always prioritize security and take the time to educate yourself on best practices for managing your cryptocurrency holdings.